Hey there, eco warriors. Have you ever stopped to wonder what really happens to your old gadgets when you bid them farewell? Today, we're diving into the realm of electronics waste and its undeniable impact on our beloved planet. Imagine this. You finally upgrade to the latest smartphone, bidding adieu to your faithful old device. But hold up. What about where it's headed next? That's the rabbit hole we're diving into today. Plus, stay tuned for a joke to keep things light. Why did the smartphone go to school? To improve its reception. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is electronics waste? Think old phones, laptops, TVs, you name it. All those retired tech gadgets fall under this category. And with technology sprinting ahead faster than Usain Bolt, the pile of e-waste keeps growing at warp speed. Now, let's get serious about the impact of electronics waste. These discarded devices pack a punch, toxic substances seeping into our water, air, and soil like uninvited guests at a party. Add in the health risks for us humans, it's like having a not-so-cool party crasher ruining the vibe. And let's not forget our wildlife friends and their homes getting knocked out of whack by improper e-waste disposal. Alright, time to tackle this issue head-on. Say hello to recycling, our eco-friendly superhero. By hitting that recycle button on your devices, you're giving them a new lease on life while saving Mother Earth. Cue the national and international regulations swooping in to keep e-waste in check. And hey, here are some pro tips on how you can be a responsible tech parent and dispose of your gadgets the right way. Ready to level up your eco game? It's all about raising that awareness bar, spreading the word on responsible e-waste management like your planet's BFF. And hey, why not jump on board with e-waste recycling programs? Your small eco step can lead to giant green leaps for our world. Time to wrap things up, eco champions. We've covered the A to Z of electronics waste and its environmental impact, no tech jargon, just plain old truths for our planet. Remember, each small action counts in making our world a greener, cleaner space. So hit that subscribe button for more sustainability-savvy content, and let's keep rocking the eco-warrior vibes together. Until next time, folks, stay green, stay awesome, Sustainability Squad.